Are you ready to ditch the guesswork and nail perfectly exposed photos on your Nikon Z30, all while keeping a little creative control? Then let's unlock the power of P mode, also known as program mode. This setting is your secret weapon for capturing awesome shots without getting bogged down in manual settings. So, what exactly does P mode do? Simply put, it's like having a smart assistant inside your camera. It automatically selects the optimal aperture and shutter speed for a well-balanced exposure based on the lighting conditions. Notice how the camera intelligently adjusts these settings. In bright light, it might choose a faster shutter speed and smaller aperture. In low light, it might opt for a slower shutter speed and wider aperture. This helps you get a properly exposed image, no matter the situation. But here's the best part: you're not completely locked in while the camera handles the aperture and shutter speed. You still have control over other crucial settings. You can adjust the ISO, white balance, focus mode, and even exposure compensation. That exposure compensation dial is key. Use it to brighten or darken the image slightly. If you feel the camera's automatic settings aren't quite right, a plus value will brighten the image and a minus value will darken the image. P mode is perfect for situations where you need to react quickly, like street photography, capturing energetic kids, or when the lighting is constantly changing. It's about getting a good exposure quickly, then tweaking to your liking. So, next time you're shooting with your Nikon Z30, give P mode a try. You might be surprised at how much creative freedom it offers while still taking the stress out of exposure settings. Now go out there and capture some amazing shots. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Nikon Z30 tips and tricks.